everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now as we age, our skin tend to lose its elasticity. Our skin sometimes tend to get dry and flaky. We tend to get wrinkles and fine lines. Guess what, guys? We cannot stop the aging process. All of this is natural. However, there are things that we can do to slow it down. I'm going to show you an hydrating anti-aging water that's going to help to boost the collagen production in the skin. This will also help to lift, tighten, hydrates the skin, refresh the skin. This remedy that I'm sharing with you, I'm using all natural ingredients that contains vitamin A, vitamin C. It also contains electrolytes that are known to be vital for the skin, especially mature skin. So if you're interested in this anti-aging collagen boosting refresher water, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Our first ingredient is cucumber, and today I'm using a fresh medium cucumber. Now cucumber is good for the skin, especially when you apply it topically on the skin. The reason for that is that it contains potassium. It also contains vitamin C. It contains a bit of a vitamin K, magnesium, and also a vitamin A. Now I'm going to be blending the cucumber. I have a small blender, so I'm going to chop for easier blending. If you do not have a blender, go ahead and grate the cucumber. Now you can go ahead and you can peel the cucumber or you can use it as is. I am going to use it as is since the peel contains most of these vitamins and minerals that I'm just talking about. So go ahead, wash it thoroughly and then chop the cucumber in small pieces or go ahead and grate. I'm going to chop in small pieces. Now, cucumber nutrients will help to hydrate the skin, smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Cucumber will also help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. Also, guys, cucumber is amazing when it comes on to dark under eye circles since it contains the vitamin K properties. So now that we are done blending, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to strain. We're only going to use the juice, so just strain. If you grate, do the same and extract the juice. Now here we have our juice, cucumber juice that is, and now let's move on to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is soy milk. And today we're using soy milk for its vitamin A properties. Vitamin A will help to boost the collagen production in the skin. Soy milk also contains magnesium and potassium, which are great for the skin. So what I'm going to be doing with this soy milk, I'm going to be warming the soy milk. And now I'm going to introduce my next ingredient, which is green tea. Now green tea helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm going to be using a tea bag. A good substitute for the green tea is some chamomile tea. So what I'm going to be doing with this green tea, I'm going to be brewing it. I'm going to be brewing the green tea in the soy milk. If you do not have a green tea bag, you can go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of loose green tea. So now let's reach back for our soy milk after warming the soy milk, and I'm going to take this green tea and I'm going to place it in the soy milk to brew. So make sure the soy milk is hot enough to brew the green tea. Now once this is done, we are going to cover this and we're going to put this aside to brew and cool. This is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes or so. Now after our green tea has been brewed in the soy milk, I like to just take it and squeeze the tea bag out to make sure to get all the nutrients from the green tea. And now we're going to toss our green tea, and here we have our green tea, soy milk, and our cucumber juice. And now we're going to put the both of these together. So I'm going to pour about a 1/4 cup of our green tea soy milk in about a 1/4 cup of cucumber juice, and then I'm going to reach for some rose water, and I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of rose water in the mixture, and then we're going to mix and we're going to mix well. You can also choose to add a little bit of aloe vera gel in this mixture. And now we're going to pour this in our jar. And take a look, here we have our anti-aging facial water. Now you can use this facial water on your skin to smooth wrinkles and fine lines, to boost collagen production in the skin, also to hydrate and refresh the skin. To use your anti-aging water, you simply take a cotton pad and you soak it with the mixture and apply it to clean skin. Make sure to get rid of all the grease and dirt from your skin before. Apply it on your skin in circular motion like I'm showing you here. Do not rinse this off. Leave it on your skin. This is an amazing anti-aging water to use at night right after you wash your face. Then after you apply it, you can apply your favorite facial serum and facial moisturizer on top of this. Now store this in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days. This is also amazing to use on your skin when you tend to get hot, when the temperature goes up. It helps to control the sweating on the skin, and it also helps to keep the skin cool, fresh, and plump. So give it a go, guys. Use it as often as you wish, and before you know it, you're on your way to younger, fresher, amazing looking skin. So there you have it. What can I say? This is so quick, this is so easy to make, but it's a very, very effective anti-aging water. Give it a try. Use it on your skin. Spread it on whenever your skin is feeling dry. Spread it on before you go to bed. Spread it on if you're going for a run. Keep it in the refrigerator. Put it in a spray bottle. Use it as often as you can. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.